That's what we're doing. We're dunking fuel tanks for Easter.
Everything is
What's that smell?
What?
Smells like
It's vinegar.
salt and vinegar chips?
We're rusting the fuel tank
Oh?
on purpose.
Oh,
It smells like salt and vinegar chips.
it does. I came out and I was like, they're having a party and... Oh. Lizzie, what are you doing?
I know my gloves.
You got your gloves?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Some there are.
I want to spray here.
Okay.
Watch out, Lizzie.
Watch out. It's immediate. See, now it's orange.
Well, thank God we can just do that.
What? Why are you ruining this piece of metal?
Or not, we're making it better.
Look at on this side.
It's dripping. Oh, what?
Wow. What?
Dripping.
Dripping.
We're making soy sauce.
Is that the new latest and greatest idea?
The Chinese are gonna be mad.
Ooh.
We're gonna get Italy mad with
That's fine. Circle them on the map and
yeah.
cross them off. That's several billion people.
Right.
It's totally dripping. It's dripping everywhere.
What?
It's dripping.
It's dripping.
Wait.
Was this quick?
it was. Look how quick it was.
Hey, it's almost the color of the rainbow.
Kinda. But this mo better.
Yeah, that was yellow. That one turned into orange.
Oh, it's orange. It's orange, Dad.
That one's yellow. Right.
How did that come out?
She's not
Do we
colorblind.
have
I am colorblind.
newspaper?
That's how I know.
Newspaper or some kind of something?
Ah.
Thank you, Lizzie.
What did you do?
I am dropping it. If someone,
It's trying to break it. The metal.
we have this safety art holder. How did Art have this? Okay.
He set it on there.
Jeez, way to go. Look at this guy. Oh, working and stuff.
Would you like to use the
I don't care.
car wash profits?
Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, what?
Switch it.
Yes, you would.
So mean.
We do it.
Oh.
Arts and crafts.
Oh, yes, of course.
I like it.
Art and crafts.
Okay, it's legit rust because it stained my hand to grab it from falling on the ground. Is it? You have to wash your hand? It stained my hand from grabbing it from when it fell on, when it almost fell off.
It smells like Easter eggs. Like, you know when you like do the...
That's what we're doing. We're dunking fuel tanks for Easter. Lizzie, are you gonna go fuel tank hunting? That's cool.
I don't want to use mine.
No, don't do it.
She just wants to help.
All right, now I gotta clear coat it, right?
Piece of paper. She wants to help. So piece of paper.
You get spin light test drive.
Ah, yes.
Here you go.
Here, I'll hold this while you help take them with that.
Oh, what?
What?
See what she's doing?
Look at the face.
Just dab it on there.
Yeah, see what she's doing?
What's with the
What are you
face?
doing?
I don't know.
Yeah, do that. That's all you gotta do.
This. There we go.
Lizzie helping.
She's a little motorcycle builder.
Yeah.
Right here.
Be careful, don't step into soy sauce. The salt and vinegar soy sauce.
of doom.
I'm not even joking, dude. Look at the bottom of my hand.
Yeah, you see that?
Wow.
Rusted. Derek's made out of steel.
You guys are old.
I keep telling you that.
That looks cool. I like that.
Look.
So when that dries, I can clear coat it?
And you doubted me.
I'm gonna throw another piece of paper at you. Just debating which one. What's in your foaming arch?
Yeah.
Don't talk about my filming arch.
Give me your points. 2.
It's 2.
Put it on the thing.
It looks good. It does go with the seat.
Put it on the thing.
Put it on the thing.
Put it on the thing.
No, his hands are gonna get all rusty.
My
Put the gloves on.
rusty or crusty?
Both.
Oh,
Y'all are weenies.
you got soy sauce everywhere.
Where we build it, right? Are we building it right, Daddy?
We're building a bike. Well, right now we're seasoning it.
Right. Making it nice and good.
Seasoned.
We're
Yeah, right.
marinating.
Seasoned.
We're marinating the fuel tank here.
What piece next?
All of the pieces belong to Rust.
Someone go.
Oh! Oh! That was good. That was good.
I quit.
That was good.
It's my 2 weeks.
Give me your points.
What piece?
Everything that's rusty, like this. Everything. Will that rust?
Yeah, let's not do that because I feel like that shouldn't be. I feel like that's a moving piece.
No moving pieces.
Yeah. Let's do the little headlight. Do we have a little headlight
Now I
jam?
have to clear coat this.
Do we have a little headlight jam?
No, it's black.
Dumb.
Dumb. Why is that dumb?
Let's do.
That's galvanized. That's not gonna rust. Anything galvanized is not gonna rust.
It will over time. Because I have a galvanized pipe on my fence and it's already rusty.
Is that what we call it now?
No, we don't want to hear about your galvanized pipes.
Oh, I'm sure you do.
Ugh.
Spray the springs.
These rings.
The springs.
What be this?
They're big flappy paddles.
Yeah, the fender.
Duh.
The fender would work.
This big old fucking.
Yes. Big old fucking crescent looking thing. What?